folks, today we're gonna test this Autoglym product for the convertible soft top clean and protection. In this we will get a nice Audi cabriolet car, and in this box we had a protector and bottle of the cleaner. First of all, what we need to do, we're gonna use the hoover and soft attachment brush. We try to suck all the dust and dirt from the roof as much we can. After hoovering, we're gonna use the water and some shampoo. We will try to wash all the dirt, and then we're gonna use one of them soft cleaner productions with nice sponge, and we're gonna apply it on the roof, and after we're gonna put the protection. And this is what we're gonna do step by step. Guys, how you can see, we had quite lots of sand on this section of the roof, and we're gonna use the hoover soft attachment. I'm gonna try to remove all the dust and dirt. Okay guys, after a little bit hoovering, we find out when is the most difficult spots next to this plastic shield which going to touch the roof, and we need to use some kind of soap and brush to remove later on. This is at the moment is the best what I can do with the hoover, and now we're gonna do all the roof, and we'll try to remove all the dust. And the most trickiest part is this part. If you can see between the roof and stitches, there's lots of dirt, and we need to use just a normal brush. And we're gonna use this brush to remove all the dirt. Of course, this job take a time, and don't rush with it. Just do slowly, but in the right way. Alright folks, for the cleaning the roof, we're gonna use the Autoglym product again, and this is gonna be the body shampoo and conditioner. What we're gonna do, just mix with the water, and then we're gonna wash the roof. Okay guys, after when we finished removing all the dust and sand from the roof top, we now need to soap. For this case, please don't use the hard brushes, only soft brush, because this material is very delicate for all the scratches. And with the simple steps, you just go forward, backward, zigzag, and try to wash the roof. And take attention for these stitches between the roof and the seal, this one. And remember guys, where is going the lines which holding the roof, take more attention for cleaning them, because this is a more delicate place where the dirt stays on the roof. Just to get an extra brush in this area. Okay guys, now you can see how actually water is so dirty after we just shampooed the roof. And if you usually think that your roof is clean, don't trust it. Look how it's dirty. All water is really dark like. After when we wash the roof, we need to allow a little bit dry out, and then we're gonna start using chemicals. Folks, after when we hoover the roof, wash the roof with the salt and allow it to dry it out. Now the roof is nice and dry, and you'll still see that there's some marks. If you take a look closer on the roof, I don't know if the camera can show it, but we had lots of green algae on the roof, and with this Autoglym, we will try to remove it. What all we need to do, spray it on the surface and make a circular motions. We will try to rub the chemical inside the roof surface. This roof you need to use only half of the bottle, don't use all of the bottle. That means you can clean the 2 roofs. Okay guys, after when we cleaned up all the roof, the last step is putting protection. We're gonna use Autoglym soft top protection, the chemical one. How we can do that? It's easy. We just spray a little bit on the foam and apply with the motional movements. You can see like how it's slowly going inside the surface. And that's all what you need to do. And you should apply all the way around. Okay guys, after when you apply the chemical on the roof surface, don't forget to, if you spray a little bit on the window, clean straight away, because if you're not gonna clean after straight away, you're gonna leave the marks on the glass. And what you're gonna do, just use the glass cleaner and clean the windows. Don't allow to dry this chemical on your windows. Clean after straight away, guys. And remember guys, don't use the car until the moment when the roof will be dry out totally. It's gonna take about, on a good weather, about 20 degrees Celsius. It's gonna take 20-30 minutes. Leave this car outside and enjoy your driving. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe.